Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in St. Thomas and we are giving you a tour of the Paul Bogle Highway. This used to be called the Southern Coastal Highway, but it was officially renamed. Now today we're going to give you an update on Seprod entering the housing market. Now Seprod is one of Jamaica's largest manufacturing companies and distribution companies. They are in the food industry and they are now going into the real estate market, which is a trend that a lot of these large Jamaican companies are doing. You have Burrito Investments going to build some massive developments. That's a financial institution. You have Proven doing some game changing developments. You have so many. So, St. Thomas, because of this road, the Paul Bogle Highway, has emerged as a major player in the real estate market. Now, St. Thomas has a lot of land. I mean, it was a parish that didn't get a lot of investment because getting there was so tedious. The roads were bad, the winding. But when the government built this road, it was a game changer. You can get from Kingston to Morant Bay, the capital of St. Thomas, on on a highway quality road. Like what we're looking at, four lanes, dual carriageway, street lights, a game changer. And then you have the Morant Bay Urban Center, which, although it's not fully occupied, it has the potential to be a game changer out there. So the land in St. Thomas is reasonable. You can do massive developments. We're talking 3,000 acres for one development. That's massive. So 1,000 homes. To build a development like that on the north coast, it's going to cost so much money just for the land. 12 acres, or is it between 7 and 12 acres in Draxall, the fastest growing area in Jamaica? It's on the north coast. You're looking at about 7 million, call it 8 million US dollars for 12 acres in Draxall. Out here, you could probably get 3,000 acres for that price. That's just to give you a comparison. The figures aren't precise. So St. Thomas is emerging as the new frontier for housing developments. Now, you can live in St. Thomas and get to Kingston in 15 minutes on this road. No traffic, no potholes. As we said, a game changer. So Seprod now. Seprod has land in St. Thomas, 3,000 acres that was part of a sugar factory that they owned in St. Thomas. And they closed the sugar factory some years ago. And because of this highway, they have decided to build houses on the land. 3,000 acres will be used for residential development. Now, Seprod is a part of the Musson Group, and the Musson Group owns 16,000 acres of land in St. Thomas. So there is a lot of land for development. So if this housing project in Belvedere, St. Thomas goes well, chances are you'll see even bigger developments in the future. So we're going to give you a quick update on what Seprod has planned for St. Thomas. Manufacturing company Seprod Limited is entering the real estate market with plans to develop its first housing project at Belvedere in St. Thomas. The development will be a 50-50 joint venture with its parent company Musson Group on approximately 3,000 acres of land. According to Seprod Chairman P.B. Scott, planning, designs and approvals have been completed and construction is expected to begin in the first quarter of next year, starting with road construction. Scott said the project has been in the planning stages for several years and will take advantage of the improved access to St. Thomas created by the Southern Coastal Highway. The goal is to transform the area into what he described as an oasis of development. The move marks a major diversification for Seprod, which is best known for producing brands such as Surge, Suppligen, Buster, and Betty. The company owns about 16,000 acres of land across St. Thomas, including Belvedere, Surge Island, Bowden, and parts of Golden Grove. With major infrastructure investments already underway in St. Thomas, Steprod's housing development is expected to contribute to the parish's continued growth while expanding the company's business beyond manufacturing. Alright guys, it's the end of the update. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.